Malaysia. We have just checked into the hotel. In fact, we've not actually checked in. हम थोड़ा wait कर रहे हैं until they clean up our room, and we thought why not take that opportunity to jump into the pool. Living, loving, laughing.
Living, loving, thriving, but without a room.
Yes.
हाँ भाई
कितने फोन पड़े?
ये देख, अरे क्या हो गया? ये देख ऊपर नीचे आगे
तो महंगी
पीछे
आइटम लग रही है यार।
60,000 की है।
और स्क्रीन लगी हुई है और वाटर रेजिस्टेंट।
नहीं पागल है।
तो इसने पूल के साइड में जो रखी हुई है 60,000
उतना चलता है। हम अभी ब्लॉग में हैं, यूट्यूब में हैं हम।
ओह वाह यार हम भी फेमस हो जाएंगे।
क्या ब्रो? से हाय।
ये माइक है इसका?
हाँ
ए यार ये तो काफ़ी इम्प्रेसिव है यार। ये घूमेगा तो आगे भी चला जाएगा।
ये देखो।
अरे भाई साहब बढ़िया आइटम है यार, ये तो तारीफ है यार।
हाँ, हम ऐसे जलपरी की तरह तब से पानी में लिटरली तैर रहे हैं बिकॉज वी बीन वेटिंग फॉर आवर रूम टू गेट रेडी. अभी तक रेडी नहीं हुआ है, 3 बज गए हैं, बट फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड वी गेट इट. नेम ऑफ द होटल वी आर स्टेइंग इज कॉल्ड क्लो. आई गिव यू लाइक अ प्रॉपर होटल टूर, रूम टूर. व्हाट्स ऑन द एजेंडा फॉर मलेशिया? आई हैव नो आइडिया. यू एंड आई आर गोना डिस्कवर दैट टुगेदर बिकॉज हमने आइटनरी बना रखी है, बट द आइटनरी इज़ वेरी अप इन द एयर. सो एज एंड व्हेन वी गो हमारा जो मूड होगा हम वो करेंगे, बट ऑफ कोर्स यू आर गोना बी कमिंग अलॉन्ग फॉर एवरीथिंग. एंड या feels good, man. Like nothing screams summer vacation than sun on your face, wet hair, and you by the pool. I'm just so excited. Okay, let's go. I got my shot. And we have finally checked in. Oh my god. Let me show you the room. This is the bedroom. You have an area over here to put your clothes and your bathrobe. The view outside overlooks the city. Excuse the mess, we've just dumped our luggage over there, and the whole hotel has got a very industrial theme to it. I found their stationery very cute. They even left us a bunch of local snacks, a little mirror which I'm gonna use to like do outfit checks, and this should be the bathroom. Towels go over here, and here is the shower. हाँ, बहुत थक गए हैं. हमारे होटल के ऑपोजिट ही एक 7-Eleven है विच इज़ सो कन्वीनियंट. तो कप नूडल्स खाएंगे और आई थिंक 1 घंटा नैप लेंगे यार आराम से, एंड तब बाहर निकलेंगे बिकॉज we've just been out in the sun the whole day and been traveling for the last like 12 plus hours. So yeah, the streets are so lively and so like filled with like everybody eating and drinking. दिवाकर क्योर की कितनी सील्स हो गई?
चलो सेल कितनी होगी? अभी तो होनी है रात को IPL फाइनल.
If you are in Dehradun and do not go to Cure, श्राप लगेगा. It's run by my friend Divakar. He's put so much love and labor into it. You have to go. शराबी सौदा भी तो है वहाँ पे.
अभी सौदा भी है.
You can smell the durian.
You can smell the durian. Durian. I don't know. I have not tried it yet, but we do a taste test. You know. But I hate
like
jackfruit. Oh, what if somebody likes them?
I'm sure some people like it.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like shit. It's an acquired taste. So
No, it smells like shit.
no. We are here at Jalan Alor, which is the food market of the city.
खाना खाएंगे.
What do you want to eat?
Everything.
But what are we trying to find?
Just some good stir fries.
Everything looks so good. This is literally the food mart, the food lane of the city, and as a group full of ex-chefs and chefs, this is like our paradise, and we're like trying out fruits and desserts and like dumplings. Good morning from day 2 in Malaysia. I got up a little early today because I had to shoot some content. I know it's very lame and very boring, but it is what it is. This is, well, kind of part of my job right now, but also it's like super fun to document things, and I just don't like to like either rush myself or make my friends wait. So I prefer कि मैं जल्दी उठ जाऊँ, फटाफट शूट कर लूँ चैन से आराम से, and then I can like freely get through my day. But I wanted to show you my outfit. Top is from H&M, bottoms are also from H&M. I just really like this combo of orange and blue. It's one of my favorite color combinations. I am wearing my Crocs. Oh, I'm wearing my Crocs sandals. Bag is this trusty one that I got from Pondicherry years ago, and these earrings are thrifted from Sarojini. And we have yet another beautiful sunny day, but बारिश कभी कभी होती रहती है यहाँ पे. I'm gonna go wake up my friends, and then हम फटाफट breakfast के लिए निकलेंगे. भूख लग रही है बहुत तेज. We are here at Grumpy Bagels. This is a very famous bagel shop in Kuala Lumpur, and the line is insane. Look at that line.
आगे तक लाइन है।
मस्त बोल रही है, हम फिर भी जा रहे हैं।
Where are we now?
Some Rexel.
REXKL. Rexkel? This is a very famous library over here, which is where we're walking towards. Bookstore, sorry, it's a bookstore. Competition analysis for local ferment co. We found kombucha. We are now here at Sky Lodge. We are here for zip lining or Mario karting. I don't know what it is, but this was a very impromptu plan and I'm so excited. I feel like a kid. We are going for what? What is it called?
Sky ride.
Sky ride is what?
That ride in the sky.
This is what we are going on. So you go up using this like cable caddy and then you would come down at the back. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a fun cart situation.
चुप रहो यार।
I feel out of control.
You got the नीचे मत देख.
मैं नहीं देख सकती.
We have just finished our zoom thing. I don't know what to call it, but like it was like go-karting. It was so much fun. Oh my god, totally worth it. Like itna maza aaya. They make you like sit in these like go-karts. They teach you how to do it and you go up on this like tram thing. Oh my god, it's so much fun. Like please don't miss it if you are here at Kuala Lumpur. And अभी हम बस थोड़ा खाना खाएंगे, थोड़ी पेट पूजा होगी because खाया नहीं है तब से भूखे ही 3-4 राउंड कर लिए हमने इसके. I feel like my hair looks so funny in this clip. We are back. I generally have like no energy to like even pick up and hold a camera like this raat tak because we're just out and about. Like we leave by like 8 p.m. and then we come back by like it's like 2 a.m. right now. We just like explore the nightlife of the city, see what's around, what cool places are there, you know, some bars and restaurants and pubs. And after that, I'm genuinely like so tired and just ready to hit the bed, take all this like makeup off and, you know, hopefully get up subah. But I thought today I should update. Oh, really cool developments have happened. So one of my friends, Krishna, you have met them at the Dubai event. In the Dubai event, Krishna was there. So he was originally supposed to come, but then he had some like legal things going on in Dubai because of which uska visa atak gaya tha, and he was in a pretty messy situation. And now finally, oh my god, he's gotten the green light and he is coming tomorrow. It's so exciting. It's like that MVP coming last minute for the trip. And yeah, this is so exciting. Anyway, I'm gonna go and take this makeup off and head to bed. See you tomorrow. I'm going to rescue Krishna. He's here! He made it!
Finally!
Hello. Like you saw, Krishna is so back and now मस्ती और double होने वाली है. Fit check. Prashik is my tripod. Top is from H&M. Skirts are also from H&M. Earrings are from this boutique store called Atelier Dawson on Instagram. They're these McDonald's packets. Bangles are from Sarojini. I'm wearing some slides. Bag is the same one I was carrying yesterday from Pondy. Or Instagram doesn't see. What YouTube doesn't see. We have reached the top of Batu Caves. Sagarika, did you survive the journey to the top?
Somehow. I don't know how I'm breathing right now, but I did.
But we did it. 300 steps, 10 minutes. We did it. But I could not vlog the steps because there were like so many monkeys and I'm scared of monkeys. So मैंने सब अंदर रख दिया. This is a 400 million old limestone formation cave all above us, made by natural erosion. And it's crazy. It's truly a wonder of nature where we are right now. We've come to a hot pot place for dinner, and if you know anything about me, I love a good hot pot. It's what I ate at Vietnam a lot, in Thailand, and I think even when I went to Dubai, I ate a hot pot. So in true tradition, I am having one again with all of my friends, and हम सबको बहुत पसंद है यार. Like it's just so DIY coded, and yeah, we found like a really cute place today. A lot of locals are visiting this place, so you have half of it for your hot pot, and the other half you can grill on. Good morning from day. What day is it, Sagu?
Day 4.
Day 4.
We're going to Genting Island. There are lots of rides, amusement park, but I'm scared of it.
What's famous about Genting Island?
Actually has the highest tram is what I guess. Don't quote me on this. But I think this is the highest tram or the second highest tram in the world. It's about 600 feet up in the air. And then there's a complete island that they've made completely for entertainment. It's called the Vegas of Asia.
I did not know this. She has done her research.
चप्पल छोड़ यार.
ये क्या बना रखा है?
पता नहीं चलने का रास्ता ही
One of the best bagels I've ever had.
Yeah? That good, huh?
It's very good.
It is really good. See, I told you. To come to Kuala Lumpur, you have to come to Crumpy Bagels.
Diet integration भी हो रहा है.
Wait.
I'm gonna cry in that gondola.
Yes.
You just wait for it.
भाई वो स्पीड अच्छी है.
वो देख चाचा अकेले जा रहे हैं दीदी.
इतना ब्रेक.
वो ये तो हिल रहा है भाई.
अबे गधा चिल्ला मत यार. ये तो बीच में.
अभी हिल रहा है.
बीच में भी.
नीचे देख नीचे.
बहुत बढ़िया है.
So nice. मौसम एकदम ऊटी वाला हो रखा है. I already feel like this is one of the best experiences, and I've not even sat on a single ride.
तारी नहीं ली.
We have reached Penang. This is the second half of our trip, and look at the view from our hotel. Doesn't it look so pretty? It feels so nice to be in front of the ocean. Kuala Lumpur was definitely a city, and abhi beach town aa gaye hain, so you know it's feeling like this, like a new part of the trip that we've unlocked. Smile. Yeah. It's so crazy that you can see those like mountains in the background and also the beach right over here. Our hotel is quite far from the beach, तो हमने एक bus ride लिया था, and finally after like 40-50 minutes of the ride we made it. But the bus was like super comfortable, air conditioned, very well managed, so no complaints at all. In fact, हमने तो nap ले लिया, हम काफ़ी थक गए थे after walking all that in Georgetown. Georgetown was slightly disappointing, I'm gonna say, like, which is so weird because we had seen all these reels saying that you gotta go to Georgetown, you can spend like the whole day in Georgetown, there's so much to do, but like everything was kind of shut, and we asked around the locals and the business owners as to why everything is shut, and they said that because during the non-touristy season, the sale and all is so less that almost like 70% of businesses have just like shut their shops and left.
हाय आग लग गई
Wow.
फॉल सलाम फॉल सलाम फॉल सलाम फॉल सलाम है, नहीं लगी है आग, अभी लगने वाली है, हम आपको खबर करते हैं. ओवर एंड आउट.
कृष्णा चल कुछ ऊ आकर
अभी यूट्यूब पे आएगा. अब क्या करता रहता है? यूट्यूब पे आएगा.
She's one with the water, baby. Where are we going?
We are going to jet ski.
Have you signed your waiver form?
No, pen is not working.
Pen is not working. Then what if you die?
अब मौत किसके हाथ में लिखी है किसके नहीं, वो तो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है.
We are going jet skiing for the first time ever, and we've rented like 4 jet skis, तो दो करके जाएंगे, and yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. It's our last day now, so we're leaving all the water sports to today. Final update, it is currently 4:16 a.m. and we gotta catch our flights, and we're severely sleep deprived if you cannot tell from these eyes. That's gonna be it for this vlog. I hope you had a great time hanging out with me this week. We gotta get back to regular programming, we gotta edit this vlog, we gotta get back to a whole lot of work, but you know, I feel like that's the good thing about a trip, you know, especially when it's well deserved. It rejuvenates you in a way to get you excited to go back to work that is just so hard to find. And now we are all, literally all of us are like so excited, like borderline craving to get back to work, our businesses, our projects, whatever everybody is doing. So it feels nice to be excited about work, but I feel like I'm not selling the idea because I literally look so sleep deprived. But whenever you see this, you will know I'm back on that grind. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.